Hello everyone, welcome to our Python complete programming course. My name is Kranti Kumar and I will be your instructor throughout this course. This course is specially designed for beginners. Even if you have never written a single line of code before, you can easily follow this course. In this video, we will learn what Python is, why it is popular, where it is used, and we will also write our first Python program. So let's get started. What is Python? First, let us understand what Python is. Python is a high level, interpreted, and general purpose programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and officially released in the year 1991. Python is one of the easiest programming language to learn because its syntax is simple and easy to understand. Today, Python is used by millions of developers, students, and companies around the world. You may have noticed two words, high level and interpreted. Let us understand these terms one by one. A high level programming language is a language that is easy for humans to read and write. We do not read to write complex machine instructions. Python allows us to write programs using simple English like syntax. The second term is interpreted. This means Python executes the program line by line instead of converting the entire program into machine code at once. Because of this, debugging becomes easier. Now let us understand why Python is one of the most popular programming languages. The first reason is its simple syntax. Python programs are short, clean, and easy to understand. The second reason is that Python is used in many different fields. The third reason is that Python has a very large community. So you can easily find tutorials and solutions online. The fourth reason is that many companies use Python for real world projects. Let us now see where Python is used. Python is used in web development. Python is used in artificial intelligence and machine learning. It is used in data science and data analysis. Python is also used for automation, cybersecurity, desktop applications, and game development. Because Python can be used in many different fields. Learning Python opens many career opportunities. Now let us write our first Python program. Print brackets hello world. Let us understand this program. Here we are using the print function. The print function is used to display output on the screen. Inside the parentheses, we have written the inside double quotation marks. Double quotation marks. Whatever we write inside the quotation marks will be displayed as it is. Now click the run button to execute the program. Just see hello world. As you can see, the message hello world is displayed on the screen. This is traditionally the first program that beginners write when learning a new programming language. It helps us understand how to display output. Now see another one. Print welcome to Python. Next, print this is my first Python program. Now run it. See, welcome to Python. This is my first Python program. In this program, we have written two print statements. Python executes the statements one after another from top to bottom. That is why the first message is displayed first, followed by the second message. This is called sequential execution. Now see another one. Print. My name is Kranti. Next line print. I'm learning Python. Next print. Thank you. Just verify that. Just run this code. See, my name is Kranti. I am learning Python. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python programming course. In the previous video, we learned about Python, its history, its applications, and we also wrote our first Python programs using the print function. In today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Python, which is variables. Variables are used in almost every Python program. So, let's understand what a variable is. A variable is a name used to store data. Instead of remembering values directly, we store them in variables. Later, we can use those variables whenever we need them. Let us understand this with a simple example. Name equal to Kranti. Print name. Here, name is a variable. We stored the value Kranti inside the variable. When we print the variable, Python displays its value. See, Kranti. Now see another example. Age equal to 19. Print age. See, 19 here. Here the variable is age. The value stored is 19. Python prints the value stored in the variable. Now see another program. College e- equal to LPU. Print college. See this LPU. Variable can store text, numbers, and many other types of data. In this example, the variable college stores a text value. Now see another example. Name equal to Kranti. Age equal to 19. College LPU. Now write print statements. Print name, print age, print college. Here we created three different variables. Every variable stores a different value. We can print them one by one. Now see another different program. Name equal to Kranti. Print, sorry. Print, my name is comma this variable name. Run it. See, my name is Kranti. We can also combine text and variables inside the print function. Python automatically displays both the text and the value stored in the variable. Just try the another example. City equal to Pagbara. Sorry. Print I live in comma that variable name city. Now run it. I live in Pagbara. You can replace the value with your own city name and run the program again. Observe how the output changes. Now do another example. Course equal to Python. Print I am learning comma variable name. What is the variable name? Course. Changing the value of variable changes the output without changing the print statement. See, I'm learning Python. Now write another program. Name Kranti. Print name. Next name Rahul. Print name. Now run this one. Notice that we changed the value of this variable. The first time the output is Kranti. After assigning a new value, the output becomes Rahul. This shows the variables can be updated whenever required. So, in this section, we learned what variables are and how to create and use them in Python. In the next section, we will learn about variable naming rules and data types, along with more coding examples. Welcome back, everyone. In the previous section, we learned what variables are and how to create variables in Python. Now let us learn the rules for naming variables. Python follows some simple rules while creating variable names. Let us understand each rule with examples. Rule 1. Variable name should start with a letter or underscore. Name equal to Kranti. Enter. Age equal to 19. Print name. Enter. Print underscore age. Both variable names are valid. The first variable starts with a letter. The second variable starts with a underscore. Python allows both of them. See, output was Kranti and the age 19. Next, let's see the rule number 2. Rule number 2 was variable name should not start with a number. Like for example, to name equal to Kranti. This was invalid. If I run this program, Python shows an error. The reason is simple. A variable name cannot begin with a number. So this is an invalid variable name. Next, we will go to rule number 3. Rule number 3 was spaces are not allowed. Like student name equal to Rahul. This program also produces an error. Python does not allow spaces in variable names. Instead of a space, we normally use an underscore only. Like use underscore. It's a valid. Sorry, print student name. Student name. It's a valid. Next, we will go to rule number 4. Rule number 4 was special characters are not allowed. Let's see the example. Student at the rate of name equal to Rahul. Special characters such as this at the rate and hashtag and percentage cannot be used in variable names. The only special character commonly allowed is the underscore. This was invalid. Let's see. It shows an error, na? This was invalid. Then go to rule number 5. Rule number 5 was variable names are case sensitive. Like name equal to Kranti and another name equal to Rahul. Now print name for second line print name. Here, this name and this capital one, that name was treated as two different variables. This is because Python is case sensitive. A small letter and a capital letter are considered different. Now that we understand how to create valid variable names, let us move to another important topic, data types. Every value stored inside a variable has a data type. For example, numbers have one data type, text has another data type, and true or false values have another data type. Python automatically identifies the data type of a value. Let's create another program. Name equal to Kranti. Age equal to 19. Height equal to 5.9. Student equal to true. Now write print statements. Print name. Next, print age. Next, write for print height. Now, print student. Now, run this code. Here, name stores text. Age stores an integer. Height stores a decimal value. Student stores a boolean value, which can be either true or false. Now write another program like let's change this type type type. The type function tells us the data type of a variable. See this one. The output shows str for string, int for integer, float for decimal numbers, and bool for boolean values. In the next section, we will learn how to take input from the user using the input function and how to convert one data type into another using typecasting. Welcome back everyone. So far we have learned variables, variable naming rules, data types and the type function. Now let us learn how to take input from the user. Until now we have manually assigned values to variables. But in real programs we usually ask the user to enter the values. For that Python provides the input function. Just see this code. Name equal to input and enter your name. Now print welcome, comma, name. Let's run this code. Here the input function waits for the user to enter a value. Whatever the user types is stored inside the variable name. Then we display a welcome message along with the entered name. Just enter the name Kranti. Then see this message welcome Kranti. Let's go to another program. Age equal to input of enter your age print of age print of type of age. Let us check the data type of the input. Although we entered a number, the output shows class str. This means the input function always returns data as a string. If we want to perform mathematical operations, we must convert it into an integer. Let's see another one. Is equal to int of input of enter our age. Print of age. Print of type of age. Now we have used the int function. The int function converts the string into an integer. Now the data type becomes int. Let's see another. A equal to int of input of enter first number. Same like b equal to int of input of enter second number. Now write sum equal to a plus b. Then print like addition equal to sum. Now run this code. I enter first number 10 and the second number 20. The addition was 30. Let's run again with another different numbers. Like first number was 45 and second number was 55 and the addition was 100. The program remains the same, only the inputs change. Let's see another one. Sorry, this length equal to float of input of enter length. Now take breadth equal to float of input of enter breadth. Now write area equal to length into breadth. Now print it. Write area equal to area. Let's run it. Here we used a float because the user may enter decimal values like 10.5 or 7.2. Like I will take 10.5 length, enter with like 7.2. Area was 7.5, 75 point something 6. Let's see another one. Num equal to int, int of input of enter a number. Sorry. Enter a number. Write square equal to num into num. Now print it. Square equal to square. Now run it. Enter a number like 8. Square was 64. And with another example like tell a number 12. Square of 12 was 144. Let's go to another program, another one. Name equal to input of enter your name. College equal to input of enter your college. Now print this name, comma, write that name. Now print this like college, it's comma, college. Just run this. Enter our name, Anti. Enter our college name, LPO. Minute. Let's go to another program. Price equal to float of input of sorry enter product price and quantity equal to int of input of this one enter quantity. All right, total equal to price into quantity. All right, print statement total amount equal to total. Now run this. Enter product price like 250, quantity 3, then total amount was 750. Now write another program. Marks 1 equal to int of input of enter marks 1. Same as this copy paste. So copy change the numbers. Sorry. This 1, 2, 3. This one 3. Now write total equal to marks 1 plus marks 2 plus marks 3. Calculate average equal to total divided by 3. Now print it total equal to this one comma total. Now print average equal to average. Now run this. Enter marks 1 like 85 is 190. This 195. Total was 270. Average was 90. Now again we will write a small program like number equal to int of input of enter a number cube equal to number into 3 print of cube comma cube Enter a number like 3 cubes, 27. Let us check with another number, 5 cubes, 125. Let's do another final program, like name equal to input of enter ever name is equal to input of enter ever age. Next one, city equal to input of this one ever city. Now write print statements for each print of name. Sorry, name. Now write print statement for age. Write print city, city. Enter name, Kranti, age 19, city, Hyderabad. That one. In this video, we learnt about variables, variable naming rules, data types, the type function, the input function, and typecasting using int and float. We also solved several practical programs using user input. Practice these programs on your own by changing the input values and observing the output. In the next video, we'll start learning Python operators and solve many practical programs using arithmetic, comparison, logical, assignment, membership, and identity operators. Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python programming course. In the previous video, we learned about variables and how to store values inside variables. In today's video, we are going to learn about operators. Operators are used to perform different operations on values and variables. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are all performed using operators. Python provides different types of operators. In this video, we will first learn arithmetic operators because they are most commonly used. So let's start with our first program. A equal to int of input, enter first number. This leave is like this. Next line b equal to int of input, enter second number. Next print, start with addition. addition equal to, for addition we use plus, a plus b. Next we will print for subtraction. Subtraction equal to, for subtraction, a minus b. Now third one for multiplication. Multiplication. For multiplication, a star b into b. Now fourth line is for division. Division. A by b. But fifth line is for remainder. Remainder equal to, comma, a percentage b. Now run this. First let us understand this program line by line. In the first line, we are taking the first number from the user. We are using the input function to receive a value from the keyboard. We have also used the int function because the input function returns text by default. Using int converts the input into integer. The second line is exactly the same, but it stores the second number. Now look at the next 5 print statements. The first line print statement performs addition using the plus operator. Plus operator. The second print statement performs subtraction using the minus operator. The third statement performs multiplication using the star operator. The fourth statement performs division using the slash operator. And finally the modulus operator gives the remainder after division. Let us run the program. Now the first, just enter the first number, we like 20, then enter the second number 5. The addition was 25, 15, multiplication 100, division 4.0, remainder 0. Now change the numbers. Like first number 15, second number 4. Enter. For 15 plus 4, 19. 15 minus 4, 11. For multiplication 60, division 3.75. Remainder 3. Now change the numbers again. First number 100. Second number 25. Enter. 100 plus 25, 125. For subtraction, 100 minus 25, 75. For multiplication, 100 into 25, 2500. For division, this 4.0. Remainder was 0. As you can see, we did not change the program. We only changed the input values, but the output changed automatically. This is one of the biggest advantage of writing programs. Now write the second program. English equal to int of input, enter. English marks. Max equal to int of input enter max marks science equal to int of input of enter science marks. Now write total equal to English plus max plus science. Now write average equal to total by 3. Now write print statements. Print total marks equal to comma total. Print average comma average. Let's run this code. First, let us talk about this. Why we create three variables, why we create total, why we created average, why divide by 3. First enter English marks as 80, then max first 75 and science 90 and enter. Total marks 245. Average one is 81.6 and let us change marks again, like English marks 60, like this one 65 max and science 70. Its total marks changed and average also changed. Compare both outputs. Now we will make program about employee salary. Basic equal to int of input of enter basic salary. Now write anything HRA equal to basic into 25 by 100. Now write DA like that equal to basic into 10 by 100. Now create gross equal to basic plus HRA plus DA. In the gross, it's calculate this one basic and HRA and DA. Sorry. Now write print statements. HRA equal to, comma, write these variables HRA and write print TA equal to DA. Now write another print statement for final gross. Gross. Run this code. I can basic salary like 25,000, then HRA 5,000, DA 2,500, gross salary was 32,500, like that. Now we are going to talk about the interesting topic, the area and parameter of a rectangle. Now you program that one, area and parameter of a rectangle. Now let us solve another practical program. We will calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle. The formula of our area is length into breadth. The formula for parameter is 2 into length plus breadth. Let us write the program for that one. Length equal to float of input. Just write enter length. Now write breadth equal to, like, first line just write like that. Float of input enter breadth. Now write about area equal to length into breadth. Write perimeter. Perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This was the area formula. This was parameter formula. Now print for area, comma, write area. Now for parameter, print perimeter. Sorry, perimeter, comma, perimeter. Now run this code. First, I will explain this. In the first two lines, we are taking the length and breadth from the user. After that, we calculate the area using the multiplication operator. Then we calculate the perimeter using addition and multiplication. Finally, we display the both results, like enter length like 10 and enter breadth 5. The area was 50 and perimeter was 30. Now change length and breadth again, like length 12.5 and breadth 5, and enter this one. Area was 62.5, perimeter was 35. Yeah. Now, now we are going to do uh, temperature converter program. Let us write another useful program. This program converts temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The formula is Fahrenheit equal to Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. That was the formula of Fahrenheit. Let's do the program. Celsius equal to 1 minute. Celsius equal to float of input of, like, write enter temperature, sorry, in Celsius. Then write Fahrenheit equal to, now write that formula, Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. Now write print statement. Print, write something like temperature in Fahrenheit equal to, you comma, and write it Fahrenheit. Now run this program. Just enter temperature in Celsius. Just type, I am typing 37. Temperature in Fahrenheit was 98.6, and I'll enter another number 100. Just showing 212. It was calculating by this formula. Now we are going to do BMI calculator program. BMI stands for body mass index. It is calculated using weight and height. Let us write the program. Weight equal to float of input of enter weight in kg. Now we will take height equal to float of input of, just write enter, sorry, enter height in meters. Just write the BMI formula. BMI equal to weight by height into height. Now print it. Right, BMI, sorry, equal to BMI. Now just run it, enter weight in kg. Kg, like we'll take weight 70 and height take 1.75. BMI was this one. This was the for BMI calculator. Now we will go for profit and loss program. Now go for profit and loss program. In this program we calculate the profit. Now type cost equal to float of input of enter cost price cell equal to float of input enter selling price. Profit equal to sell minus cost. Now print it. Print profit equal to straight profit. Now run this code. Sorry, I will write this wrong. Now run again. Enter cost price. I will entering 500. Now selling price was 750. Then profit was 250. Now we will take another numbers, like cost was 1000. I'm selling at 850. Profit minus 150. Here the value becomes negative. That means there is a loss instead of profit. That one. Now we see the discount calculator. We'll see the program of discount calculator. Let us see that program. Price equal to float of input of enter product price. Discount equal to float of input of enter discount percentage. Now write take like discount amount equal to this one price into discount by like 100. Then take final price equal to price, this one price minus this discount amount, price minus discount amount. Now we will write the print statements. Print discount equal to comma. Now write discount amount. Just enter and write another print statement. Final price equal to comma final price. Now run it. Enter product price like 1000 and a discount was 20. That discount was 200 and final price was 800. And run this code with another numbers like enter product price was 2500 and a discount percentage was 20, then discount was 500, final price was 2000. And finally like just write another program, GST calculator. Price equal to float of input of right, of input of enter price. GST equal to price into 18 by 28 by just take it as 18 and total equal to price plus GST. Write print statements minute. Write print statements print GST equal to GST print total price equal to total. Now run this code. Just enter price 1000. GST was 180. Total price was 1180. Run again this code with another example and like 250. GST was 45. Total price was 295. In this video, we have solved several practical programs using arithmetic operators. These programs help us understand how operators are used in real world situations. Let us continue with a few more programs in the next section before moving to other type of operators. Welcome back everyone. So far we have learned arithmetic operators. Now let us learn assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable or update the existing value. The most common assignment operator is the equal sign. Python also provides shortcut assignment operators such as plus equal, minus equal, multiplication equal, and division equal. Let us understand with example. Like x equal to 10. Print x. Now run. Here the value 10 is assigned to the variable x using the assignment operator. When we print x, Python displays the stored value, which is 10. Now go for another program. X equal to 20. And next, x plus or equal to 5. Now print after plus or equal to this one, comma x. Now next, x minus or equal to 10. Print after after minus or equal to and comma x. Now x are equal to 2. Print after star equal to this one, comma x. X equal to 3. Print after equal to comma x. Run it. Let us understand each statement. First, the value of x is 20. The statement x plus equal to 5 means x equals x plus 5. Therefore, the value becomes 25. Next, x minus or equal to 10 means x equals x minus 10. Now the value becomes 15. Then x multiplication equal to 2 means x equals x multiplied by 2. Then the value becomes 30. Finally, x division are equal to 3 means x equals x divided by 3. The final output becomes 10. These shortcut operators make programs shorter and easier to read. Now, let us move to comparison operators. Comparison operators. Comparison operators compare two values. The result is always either true or false. These operators are widely used in conditional statements. Let us see some examples. Like a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. Print a equal to b. Print a less than b. Print a greater than or equal to b. A less than or equal to b. Now run it. Here we are comparing the values of A and B. The first statement checks whether both values are equal. Since they are different, the output is false. The second statement checks whether they are not equal. They are not equal. This becomes true. The remaining operators compare which value is greater or smaller. Let's go to another program. Age equal to int of input of enter your age. Print age greater than or equal to 18. Now run it. Like, I will enter 20. The output is true because 20 is greater than or equal to 18. Now, now let us run it again with the value 15. This time the output becomes false because the condition is not satisfied. Okay. Then the next category is logical operators. Python provides three logical operators. They are AND, OR, and NOT. These operators combine one or more conditions. Like, for example, A is equal to int of input of enter age. Print age greater than equal to 18 and age less than equal to 60. Now run this. Like the AND operator returns true only when both conditions are true. If the age is between 18 and 60, the output becomes true. Otherwise, the output becomes false. Let's take 19. This was true. Like that. Let's go to another one. Marks equal to int of input enter marks. Print marks greater than or equal to 35 or marks double equal to 0. A equal to true. Print of not A. Let's run. The OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true. The NOT operator changes true to false and false to true. Like, just check 36 is true and this one false. Now let us learn membership operators. These operators check whether a value exists inside a string, list or other collection. Python provides two membership operators. They are in and not in. For example, language equal to Python, right? Print p in language. Then print Java in language. This is small will have mistake. Just check once. The first statement checks whether the letter P is present inside the word Python. The answer is true. The second statement checks whether the word Java is present. Since it is not present, the output becomes false. Now take like another example. Uh, Again, language equal to Python. Print Java in Java, not in language. Here we are using the not in operator. Since Java is not present inside the word Python, the output becomes true. Okay. Finally, let us learn identity operators. Identity operators check whether two variables refer to the same object. Python provides two identity operators. They are is and is not. Let us write one program: A equal to 10, B equal to 10, and print A is B. True. Both variables contain the same value. Therefore, Python returns true. Let's change this one like to 20. Right? A is not B. And true. Here the values are different. Therefore, the expression returns true. In this video, we learned different types of Python operators. We covered arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, membership operators, and identity operators. We also understood each operator with practical examples. Practice these programs on your own and try changing the input values to observe different outputs. In the next video, we will start learning condition statements such as if else, and nested if. Thank you everyone for watching this video.